We can prevent an individual instance of a type definition from automatically updating when the data type of the type definition changes by right-clicking the instance and removing the check mark next to the auto update from typedef shortcut menu item. Removing the check mark from the auto update from typedef item prevents the instance from automatically updating when the data type of the type definition changes, but preserves the link between the instance and the type definition. So it is a double type numeric. Let's open the type definition and let's change its representation to long. Let's save it. And the instance has not been updated. We can remove the link between an instance and a type definition by right-clicking the instance and selecting disconnect from typedef from the shortcut menu. Disconnect the control numeric from its type definition numeric typedef control. OK. We cannot prevent an instance of a strict type definition. So let's open a strict type def that we made for an earlier video. Let's ensure that it is a strict type def. So we cannot prevent an instance of a strict type definition from automatically updating because we do not have that option here, which is available for, let's see, a type def, which is auto update from type def. It is not available for strict type def. So we cannot prevent an instance of a strict type definition from automatically updating unless we remove the link between the instance and the strict type definition. So going back to the type def, this is the type def, as you can see here. So if we disable the automatic updating of an instance of a type definition and change the data type of the instance or change the data type of the type definition, Let's change it to DBL. The instance appears dimmed and the run button appears broken. To update the instance manually, we can right click the instance and select review and update from type def to display the review and update from type def dialog box. To enable the application to run without updating the instance, we can right click the instance and select disconnect from type def from the shortcut menu to permanently remove the link between the instance and the type definition. Now this control is not linked to anyone and we can do any change that we want.